Hey guys!
Hello guys!
So welcome to the Homies channel. I'm Vicky.
And I'm Leah.
And today we have a special guest, my dogs, Chia and Ellie. Chia and Ellie. They're here because we are watching John Wick, the first part today. Yep. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
So guys.
Oh, nice driving.
What? Oh. He's not in a good condition.
This is, it starts like this is the end.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some movies, they start like this. I like.
And then we understand what's going on. Is this his laugh?
I think, yeah. Oh,
how
no.
cute is to watch this video. And
oh, with those panoramic windows. I love them so much. Nice house. I don't know how
it looks like
how you can. Oh no, yeah, you have.
a problem.
She had some heart attack or something.
Oh, she was sick. She
was sick. Yeah. Yeah, she died. That's so. Está ito ka man. Pwede ito iti. He's heartbroken.
What are you really doing here, Marcus? Just checking up on an old friend. Goodbye, John.
Yeah, I cannot believe this guy. He's always playing some bad roles. Delivery.
Oh, that's why. Oh, nice.
Look at Gigi. There is a friend. See, look at this. Look at this.
Oh, it's a gift from someone. Maybe who loves him. To have a friend.
I'm sorry, I can't. But you still need something. Someone.
Oh no.
Because the card doesn't count. I love you, John. This illness has loomed over us.
Oh, he's so lovely.
How she knew that she will die. And this is the last message of her. Oh, John. It's a beagle.
Oh.
Beagle baby.
I love the ears of the animals.
Yes.
It's so lovely.
Mine have the biggest ears. Show them, mommy.
Hi, doggy, doggy.
The best alarm.
Wake up.
The best alarm is this.
Oi!
Seriously, oi.
Hey, John, you're not alone.
Nice ride.
Oh, this guy is very familiar to me.
Mustang.
This guy.
I don't know from which movie I saw him.
She's 70.
How much? Huh? Oh, how did I do that? Of course, he was watching her, that she wants her.
Oh, I love dogs. Всего сука яйца. А вот и сука нет.
Oh, he understands. That was so cool. No!
Oh!
The Russian guys. The Russian guys. What do you want, Be? Oh, and the dog is screaming! No! No! Why? Did they kill the dog? I'm fine, mommy.
Spij spokojnie.
No. What did it do to you? Why doing this? Poor baby. It was just a baby. If he did do this to me, I'm gonna find these guys, I'm gonna kill them and bury them. Even not bury them.
Oh,
Why
they were in the house. I don't know.
Why didn't just take the car and go? Motherfuckers.
Yeah. Fucking idiots.
Where'd you get that car? Is it here?
Yes.
It was. I asked you, where the hell did you get it? Yosef Tarasov nicked it. Vigo's son. The owner of the car.
Beat him in the
Kill
face.
him or what? No. You sure as hell fucked up his dog. Fucked up his dog. That's what you did. You fucked up his dog.
Oh!
That was so nice.
Great. You're gonna come into my shop and you're gonna pull a gun on me. That's great, man.
Stupid.
Now you kill me right now. I need a ride. I heard you struck my son. Yes, sir, I did. Yeah, may I ask why? Yeah, well, because he stole John Wick's car, sir, and
So this is Vigo.
Yeah.
killed his
Vigo.
dog.
Oh, definitely he understood.
Oh,
Yeah.
I
It
like
was hard.
this so much.
That was
I
so
enjoy
hard.
this moment. I enjoy it. I enjoy this moment.
Vigo, English, please, come on. Stay, goddammit!
Oh,
What did I do? Je vernoels op het bol. Oh, fuck, Vigo. Right, you stay. That fucking nobody.
we'll kill you all.
It's John Wick.
Oh, they will tell us who is John Wick.
Once was an associate of ours. We called him Baba Yaga.
Oh.
Baba Yaga.
Ooh.
Man, he was the one you sent to kill the fucking boogeyman.
Yes.
So
John,
this was his past.
cheer well.
Oh, he's.
You know very little. A few days after his wife died, you steal his car
Oh my
and kill his fucking dog. I can make this right.
How?
How do you plan that? By finishing what I started. What the? I didn't hear a fucking word I said. John will come for you.
God. Ah, yes.
Get the fuck out of my sight. Hello, John.
Hmm.
I heard about your wife. I'm sorry. My condolences.
Really like John.
You can say goodbye to your son now. Oh, he's sexy. Oh, he's going with the costume. That's so cool.
And they keep trying. Really?
They're going to kill him in his apartment. But I don't think this will happen. Oh, oh, oh.
He's still good.
He's the best. Whoa! So you know now who is John Wick.
Oh, I like it.
Oh. Bye. Oh. Oh.
Evening, John. Evening, Jimmy. Noise complaint. Noise complaint. You, working again? I'd like to make a dinner reservation for 12. Good to see you, John. Charlie.
Oh, they will clean the bodies.
Housekeeping. Oh.
Yeah, he broke his leg and neck.
Accident.
It was an accident. That's so cool. There is a company which is cleaning bodies and cleaning your house. It's a cool business.
Put a contract on John Wick. How much? 2 million. Please. To what do I owe this visit?
Help me.
I have a job for you.
Oh yeah, I was pretty sure he's a killer as well.
I want to offer you this face to face. Would you kill John Wick for $2 million?
Whoa.
Is the contract exclusive? No, it's open. It's a timely matter. Has to be handled quickly.
$2 million.
So there are many killers, right?
Oh wow.
Good seeing you again, John.
Perkins. Room 880. And as always, it is a pleasure having you with us again, Mr. Wick. Jonathan. Yosef Terosov. What about him? I'd like to talk with him. Have you returned to the fold? Just visiting. Where do I find him?
That was very well said.
Wick's at the Continental. You know the rules. No business can be conducted on these premises lest incurring heavy penalties. Hello, Francis.
Oh.
Mr. Vick. Типовий діл. 20 кілограмів. Да.
That was so cool that he didn't kill him.
Ouch. He will broke all of his bones.
Oh, that's so good revenge.
You can feel it, right?
Yeah.
Like, ha! You bastards.
Oh, and the
Nice
music
security,
with the
yeah.
music.
Like, one by one. I think that John can't be afraid of anything.
I don't think so.
It looks like,
Even now.
yeah.
So he could kill him, but he didn't. Oh,
Yo.
He took
He
the
will-
girl for
for protect.
protect.
Dress code, baby.
No, he's very scared. And they're coming to fight with him without any gun or like.
Glasses.
You want to beat him. Okay. Wow, so much people died.
Because of this little bullshit. And he's kill him.
Oh! No, he have a he have a brace. How was the name? No!
Come on.
The bastard escaped.
Boo. Oof.
Oh! No!
Boo.
Oh,
No, John.
oh.
Hello, Daddy.
I peed my pants, Daddy.
Victor's dead. Usivoyes Vayasana.
Oh, he killed Victor?
Yep.
But
Hey,
he's
John.
seriously hurt.
Good evening, Mr. Wick. Take 2 of these beforehand. Your stitches will tear, and you'll bleed. But you'll have full function.
What? This is no. This is crazy.
But it's not possible to
Someone
be
else is
regular
going to
windows
kill
there.
him.
Ah!
He missed it. I knew it. And you're about to die now.
But the rules are don't kill in the hotel, right? Oh, she's good. Go, John.
And the phone is ringing.
Come on, John.
And he thinks that he's exclusive killer of John. There is a lot of killers.
Ugh.
Oh! Bye-bye.
Ah.
Oh,
Ah.
I apologize for calling you at this hour, but I have received a number of grievances from your floor concerning the noise. An uninvited guest. Have you anything of, say, a dinner reservation, perhaps? I have to get back to you.
I love this movie. It's so ridiculous. I like how they support him. Oh, amazing.
Joseph.
Fuck you. Little Russia. There's a church near Cannon Court.
What about it?
It's the front. It's where Vigo keeps his private stash.
In that church. But at least he didn't kill her.
Do I know you? Hey, John. Everything all right?
They know each other. Yeah, everything's fine.
I'll leave you to it then. You keen babysitting a sleeping one? Catch and release. Catch and release.
Yeah.
He don't give a... Oh!
Motherfucker! It's a fake.
Ladies, out.
Oh! In your face! Ah, he burned all his money. It's not all, but oh wow!
Don't worry. Housekeeping will find you. You are no lady. Trust me.
Uh-huh.
How?
You've broken the rules.
No, I like this guy.
Housekeeping will find you.
And if you are very good killer and they take everything you have, of course they'll kill him all. And they are son of a bitch. And they're not a good guy. They're doing some black businesses and killing people and everything, of course. Oh!
He's good enough.
Do you know what was in that vault? Artwork cash, not without its worth, but the leverage I had on this city. Audio recordings, physical... Yeah, while you had your wife, I had my son. And believe me, you had a far better deal.
Haha, very funny.
And then you give me your son. Baba Yaga. It was just a fucking car, just a...
When Ellen died, I lost everything. Until that dog arrived on my doorstep. A final gift from my wife.
Kill that from me! People keep asking if I'm back. So you can either hand over your son, or you can die screaming alongside him!
No!
Oh!
He cannot die now. Now he will help him. Oh no, he wants the prize.
He won the prize?
Maybe he want to kill him by his own to get the prize.
But he can because he's...
Or he can, I don't know, or he help him. I don't really know. That was beautiful.
Boom.
You are a dead man. But this was a good killer as well.
Yeah.
Bye bye, Virgo.
John!
Cool it! How can you?
I
Did-
have your word then if I tell you where he is. You let me walk away.
Oh my god!
Wow!
They're both shit.
John, it's kept in a safe house.
That's why he said he's just a dog, he's just a wife, he's just a son.
It's just so.
Comment, of course. But it won't matter.
He knows that his son is dead.
Get shot!
Woo!
Get down! Get down!
That's a very good scene. Like how he's smoking and knows that he will kill his son. That's amazing.
There's no way. Oh.
Revenge! Woo! Oh,
Shut up, shut up, shut up.
but it was so fast, I didn't enjoy it. It should be more painful. He deserved it. Oh, he was waiting for this call.
Arrangement.
How many times do I have to save your ass?
I appreciate it.
Oh, he's good this time. I'm so happy.
I look retired.
But for now.
Retired. You really believe that?
Are you seriously so dumb? Just live your life, leave him alone.
You find a way back to it.
Why he didn't kill her?
Because he's good.
Gentleman.
Yeah, he don't want to kill just without the reason. And he promised her that if she give him information, she will let her alive.
But
No! Oh, fuck.
ooh, boom.
No. If
Ooh.
Oh no, he's dead.
Again.
No. And he knows that he's dead because of him. Nolly, mommy. He's such a sweetie baby, mommy.
Ah.
Ah! Because he ruined the... Because he ruined the rules.
Such a mess. The housekeepers. These guys are so
They were just waiting to kill her to clean.
I know what you're thinking, Jonathan.
But they have a lot of work.
By code.
It's good they
Yeah.
That's why I'm not the one telling you, but a certain helicopter to a certain helipad is being fueled for a certain someone.
Yay.
Oh, this is the place that the movie starts. I recognize it. It was, yeah.
What fucking wrong with this guy? I'll tell you. my
And he's
story.
laughing. He's enjoying it. Wow, and it's so dramatic with this thunders. It's so dramatic.
Go kill him and this.
Mommy, stop. Wow, he's so good. And he's smoking cigarette.
Good luck.
Russian cocksucker.
Russian cocksucker?
It looks like it's shooting for real.
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Yeah, jump!
Jump!
Jump, John!
Maybe it's good that all the windows are...
Wow! That was so good. That was amazing.
Just you and me, John.
After all of this mess.
I don't think he can fight. He cannot fight, babe.
What happened, John? We were professionals. Civilized. Do I look civilized to you?
I told you! Eh.
That's not fair.
But Vika's moves are so slow.
No! Oh. Oh. He loses. I think it's the same, yeah.
Oh, John.
I don't think he will die because I know there is a second part.
Come on, John.
Oh, she will save him. She will find powers to. Oh, he went there to help himself, but he will took a doggy maybe.
Do you think? It will be so sweet.
He's not a condition to a doggy now.
Doggy.
I can't believe
They're so bad.
this scene. It's amazing that he's right there on the adopting center.
It's so beautiful. And you. Oh.
It's okay. Let's go.
He took the doggy. I knew it. Yay!
Oh.
Wow!
Oh, such a good movie.
Wow!
Such a good movie.
I'm so impressed.
I'm
Like-
so in love.
And I'm in love. Like, I actually don't like so much killings and everything, but this beginning was so powerful.
Yeah.
With the dog and the scene and how he was so heartbroken right now in this moment, and
And how
they
you
fuck
can,
him.
what you can do for your love and to protect all of the things you love.
Yeah, they show us that the revenge is actually very
Yeah.
very powerful thing. And you can do everything to just revenge. I don't like revenge anyway. But in this situation, John was it was his right to do.
People need to have respect
Ah,
to
yeah.
your balloon with your, I don't know how to say it, but with your lovely things.
Yeah.
Your
The small
emotional-
things.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and also I also like in this movie that the respect.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that you're talking to, because you see that a lot of people had respect to John because he's the best killer, like really best, and I respect him. And even Marcus sacrificed his life for him.
Yeah, and maybe the way he...
and the guy with the cars, he told him, and also the betraying Virgo betrayed his son for his life. Like this is the way that you choose to die or to be alive. And this is so cool that this movie is made with a lot of good producers and everything.
Part, right?
I can't wait to see the next part, guys. Yeah, let's play the next. And
say bye, Ellie. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay. Bye from us.
Bye
and
bye.
From Ellie also.